Approximately 1.7 million carloads of hazardous materials are transported by rail annually in North America. Even with comprehensive safety procedures and well-trained personnel, rail car and locomotive spills are a fact of life. This top-load spill of caustic acid occurred only hours after installation was completed on a large ultra-track pan system. Key features and benefits of the ultra-track pans include the prevention of costly cleanup and regulatory fines. Ultra-track pans are designed to isolate spills from the environment. The patented modular design allows track pans to be assembled in any length desired. The sealed system is also patented and keeps spills from falling between the rails and pans. Ultra-track pans are competitively priced and pay for themselves many times over should a spill occur. Installation of the track pans is simple and requires no heavy equipment. Small track pan systems can be specified to capture nuisance spills and leaks. Each center pan and side pan is 4.5 feet long. This 9-foot system consists of 2 center pans and 4 side pans. All track pan modules are connected end-to-end with bulkhead fittings. The fittings act as flow-through channels. Containment capacity is increased as spills flow to adjacent pans. The fittings are gasketed to assure a leak-proof seal. Simple hand tools are all that is needed to connect track pan modules. This track pan installation is 600 feet long, and it accommodates 12 rail cars. The flexible design of the Ultra track pans allows users to specify any length of system desired to meet their specific needs. These can range from small spill pads, such as the popular 9-foot and 13.5-foot systems, to much longer systems designed to capture catastrophic spills. The all-polyethylene track pans are compatible with a broad range of chemicals and petroleum-based products. Track pans have been engineered to withstand the rugged conditions found at rail sidings and rail yards. Vehicles, including tanker trucks, can be driven over the track pans with no damage to the pans. Concrete or asphalt must be used to ramp up to the side pans. Polyethylene gaskets seal between the pans and rails. The gaskets are closed cell and won't soak up any liquid. Ultra track pans perform at a high level under a variety of conditions. They're estimated to have a 20 to 30-year working life. The durable units flex with the rails as cars roll over the tracks. Track pans offer a working temperature range of 40 below to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Sealing gaskets channel spills into the pans away from the rails. Managing stormwater is a critical need for any outdoor containment product. As shown by the arrows, Ultratech's unique stormwater feature, coupled with heavy-duty grading and flexible polyethylene covers, combine to offer significant benefits related to stormwater management. The illustration we're going to show you will explain how the patented stormwater feature works. Clean rainwater falls on top of the center pan covers and is channeled toward the stormwater feature. The water then cascades down the large spout molded into the center pan cover and is stopped by the black sealing gasket. The gasket is seated just below the stormwater ports. The water then passes through these ports and stays out of the center pans. The clean water drains on top of the ballast and ties beneath the pans. Rain that falls on top of the side pan covers simply runs off the outer edge of the covers, much like rain flows off a sloped rooftop. Ultra track pans comply with multiple regulations. Considered a best management practice, they help meet federal stormwater regulations required by the EPA's Clean Water Act. Track pans meet New York State's chemical bulk storage regulations. They also help facilities comply with local, state, and federal regulations that protect soil and groundwater from contamination. Track pan installation begins with minor surface preparation, including leveling of the ballast and securing loose spikes. Track pans and their components are packaged separately to eliminate damage during shipment and to maintain quality control. Center track pans are typically installed first. A narrow gasket is placed into the rail web, followed by a larger contoured gasket. The larger gasket has an outer lip that matches up with the top edge of the center pan. Next, a 1x4 and 2 large C-clamps are used to temporarily compress the gasket set. This simple process creates enough void space between the opposite rail and the center pan to install a duplicate set of gaskets. The C-clamps are then released, leaving both gasket sets compressed equally. A liquid-tight seal is achieved. Donut-shaped sealing gaskets are used to connect the pans end to end. Once the pans are aligned, flow-through bulkhead fittings are installed and tightened. Bulkhead fittings are also installed into the ends of the track pan system to cap off pre-drilled holes. The final step is to secure a threaded plug into each fitting at the ends of the track pan system. Installation of the side pans is very similar to that of the center pans. Once the track gaskets are in place, the C-clamps are used to compress the gaskets. "24-inch long rebar fasteners are then driven into the ground to secure the side pans against the rails. Red protective caps are placed over the top of each rebar fastener for safety. These steps are repeated to add additional track pan modules to the system. In this example, we have completed assembly of a 9-foot track pan system. Grates and covers can easily be added. This is the center pan stormwater spout. As discussed earlier, the black gasket plays a critical role in keeping rain out of the center pans. All track pans, grates, center covers, and side covers feature a slip-resistant top surface. Thumb-like protrusions are molded into the undersides of all track pan covers. These fit snugly into the holes in the grates to keep the covers from blowing off in windy conditions. Track pan covers also feature an overlap lip. This lip keeps rain from entering the pans where they join together. Covers should be removed just before or just after a rail car arrives. We have now completed the assembly of a 9-foot ultra track pan system with grates and covers. Track pans can be installed to handle catastrophic spills with the addition of below-grade piping. Standard piping is laid in shallow trenches, then connected to the pans. Each track pan is molded with multiple recesses at their low points, any of which can be drilled out to accept this large bulkhead fitting. Multiple pipe recesses are provided to assure that pipes can be installed without moving ties. The pipes can be run to retention ponds, oil-water separators, stationary tanks, or in this case, an in-ground sump. Outfitted with ultra track pans, this facility is now prepared for a catastrophic railcar spill. Ultra track pans reduce corporate liability, protect the environment, and prevent costly cleanup and regulatory fines. For more information, call 800-353-1611 or visit our website at www.trackpans.com.